Hi guys! So, to make a plural, just add an S, right? Well, not quite. There are 3 exceptions that you need to know. If a noun ends with SH, CH, X, Z, or S, then you add an ES to the end of the noun. So, brush goes to brushes. Nouns that end in a consonant and a Y, then you need to take away that Y and you need to add IES. For example, city goes to cities. And lastly, a noun that ends with an F or FE. Again, take away the F and FE and you add VES to the end of the noun. So wolf goes to wolves. Let's start practicing by putting in the comments below an example of each exception. Best way to learn is to practice, practice, practice.